DJ Eskimo
I'll be
City.
doing a requested tutorial on how to watch videos while you drive. One things first, the basically free, cheap method would be to have a jailbroken phone. Let me let these updates go. That's back up. It's updating everything. So basically, this is what you'll want to download when your phone is jailbroken. Basically, you connect your phone through the CarPlay and tons of apps would populate. People ask me how I was watching YouTube on my car while I was driving. Basically, I had an app similar to this, Car Bridge, which I'm not using, but this is an app that you can buy. I think it's $5 for you to do that. Second, the most expensive method, I did this to my old car. Cost maybe about $2,000. It'll be this, you'll buy this right here. And basically they will unlock the brain of your car, the HMI module. Basically, it basically will unlock the maps so you don't have to use OnStar, and give you the ability to basically watch movies while driving, but you need to put it on a thumb drive. So you wouldn't be able to watch YouTube. You can watch movies off of a USB, download movies, convert them, put them on a USB drive, and play like that. And it will play the videos while you're driving, movies, whatever. It works. You put your VIN number, it'll modify it. You pull it out your car, switch it out, pop it back in, and everything should be working. So last but not least, I will show you how it works. Phone is connected, AppleCar plays up, and yes, the back light of my phone lights up. If I lock it, it'll cut off, cut on, wakes up with the screen. All right, so don't mind my messages. I will click on YouTube. Make sure you have Wi-Fi in your car so you can run YouTube and everything off your Wi-Fi. So I will pick a song, history, and listen to this. Lil Uzi. Basically, you just drive like this.